and then see what do I need to do in order to hit those $1 million.
What's that one again? Second point is
Let me ask you, how would your life be different without any mental roadblocks? Shifting topic right now, going back to your homework on the mental aspect, and that's the one we find most interesting, right? Obviously, last week you and I, we talked about your 55 goals and how to write them out, and then obviously dialing into picking one specific and then putting those 3 action steps on. Action 1, I like action 1 in the finance. I save 10% of my salary each month. Okay, great. In your head, you know that will get me to a certain extent. Do I need to, put 10% extra 10% of my money on side for the renovation or for investing into something else? That could be a thing. And then obviously the saving money for not going out, using public transport and saving blah blah blah. Well, that you know that one is going to change very soon again, because we're getting hopefully out again, So play around with that. Kind of like what I would do, right? A fun little exercise you can do is do the math. Do the math on $1 million and then see what do I need to do in order to hit those $1 million. And then see, okay, is it over 5 years, 10 years, 15 years? Or, make a smaller goal. Make a goal for the next 12 months. And be like, okay, I want whatever, 50 grams of 75 grams put aside or something. And then be like, okay, what do I need to do on a weekly and a monthly basis to kind of like break that down? I like the goal of $1 million. That's a great goal to have. And then you can just have that and then maybe put in brackets, be like, okay, how can I have 55 grams or 75 grams put aside by the end of the year? And then break that down to like, okay, I need to save that much money. I need to, cut back on that or start increasing my productivity and get some other flows going there. That's what I would do. So you kind of break it down so it becomes like an appetite, right? Like you can digest it and you can eat it. These small things there, because oftentimes what happens with goal setting, and this is why we're doing what we're doing there right now, is that we're putting something up and we don't really know what is the next step going to look like for us. So yeah, again, like from my side to your side, like, yeah, you gotta start thinking about not so much saving, but thinking about how can I increase my income. Let's say you have 10 investment properties in Brazil and you have a lifestyle where you can travel back and forward, you can help out your family and friends over in Brazil, you have a good income. Like that starts to speak a little bit to you as I know you. So yeah, that's what I would do again, run through those things. And then look over the goals, look over your 55 goals, and then go in again and then look at, okay, what would be an ultimate goal for me that I would like? I would be really proud, I would be really happy, it will make me fulfilled in my career. The financial aspect will really supply my lifestyle, my health and fitness. I feel so proud about myself. My personal relationship gives me fulfillment. And all the things we have. We can travel, we can go back to Brazil. We got friends all over the world, and I'm growing as a human being. I'm developing my skills every single day, and I'm taking care of my family. This is a roadmap. This is like a recipe for you to see, okay, when you kind of like, blow that out of your shirt and be like, okay, this is me, this is where I'm going, this is what I want out of my life. It's so much easier to pick and choose the people you have in your life, the job opportunities that comes away, and the things you're doing on a general day-to-day basis. And it takes time, buddy. It takes time to cultivate that. So you got good time now, today and tomorrow, and also, during the weekend stuff. So spend some good time here over the weekend to dive into that. And then we will check in with each other there, because then I will make a little video file or audio file for you to start listening to when you're doing workouts, when you're doing walks, when you're walking around in general and all that. You too. Thanks, buddy. Good call, man. Thank you. Bye-bye.